So you might be wondering, how did I end up here? Well, let me show you. Whatever.
So I got blue balls. Blue balls, like it's
How'd that happen?
Shit. Tell me what's up, bro. Couldn't take her home last night, bro.
What up?
Got caught lacking, bro. Ain't no way I was gonna fuck off 2 hours of sleep and go to snowboard the next day, bro. 8-hour shift, bro.
I don't know.
Like got caught lacking at the light type shit. Like Rhea said.
Like Rhea
said.
You know what? Wait, can you repeat the story?
No, it's not.
But no names, no names.
Like D&D that, like that crazy. That's crazy. That shouldn't be on mine. Can't. I wanna choke on your shit while you throw muscle on it.
Wait, what?
No dead ass. Bro, that shit was too funny. He showed me the message. I was like, no, like not real. Like built for Alex. Like specifically. Like Shelby built.
She's sideshow addicted.
She is.
That's fine.
Sheriff, bro. Nobody wanted to pass him. I passed him on the left, on the right side. Going like 85.
Those tickets on the window.
Yeah, he didn't pull me over.
What are those?
Oh, it's just from the dirt bike park. But now I'm a season pass member.
My boy's a good old boy. Where we going? Got no directions.
They're right here.
There we go. Where we at? We're going to Stockton?
Yeah, we're going to Glockton. Is that CHP tripping? Why are they?
Trying to catch people lacking.
Wow, bro, truck is so smooth, bro.
We were gonna go into Camry, then we saw there was a snowstorm.
I was totally trying to take the Camry just for subs.
How bad is a snowstorm?
I don't. So Saeed was on his way there yesterday. I was texting him. I was like, "Let me know when you see snow." He said when he was 2 hours away, he could see snow already on the side.
Oh yeah, we're gonna get the fresh slopes.
So yeah, we're gonna have a
fresh snow.
There's actually a big ass lake in Kirkwood.
We're like in those roads that are.
I couldn't live here. It's too far from.
You know, you ever seen the movie Wrong Turn?
No. But like I heard it's scary. Though.
It's like cannibals, bro. Like they'll like purposefully flip.
This is the scary road. You see how fucked up the edge is? I could just. My rims are so wide, bro. We could just fall off the edge. I'm not even gonna lie.
Push me to the edge. We're stopping on the side to get a little flick. My man's over here. Bro, we made it. We out here. That's in the snow. I'm saying.
This is so fucking wet, bro. My truck looks so wet in the snow, bro.
Where are we? Where are we?
Wet in the snow. We are in. I don't know. We're on our way to Kirkwood.
We're in the middle of nowhere.
We're in the middle of nowhere, though, for sure. Look at the icy truck, bro.
These vultures, man.
Snowball crazy.
We out here. We're boys over here taking the film.
Yeah.
See that film? Let me see that film.
He's just out here. Oh my god, it's
I feel
so
like a
cold.
tourist, bro.
It's so cold. I know we are like tourists. With these fucking big ass rims.
Oh, freaking. Alex.
I turned on the heater.
Oh! Alright, boys. Where we at, boys?
Should I wear these real quick?
What are those?
My dirt bike boots.
You
I
could
don't
use
think
those?
so. Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah, I don't think so, because I'm about to go put on the other ones.
No, we're putting on the snow pants. He's ready.
I don't already have them.
You have snow pants?
Hell yeah, I do. Right there. They're blue.
That's what I say. Nah, but you need those.
Yeah. Hey man, what you doing in there? What you looking for, man?
Breaking in. Shiesty boy.
It's Bay Area Bippers.
Let's fucking break into some Bay Area Bippers.
Oh, is that cookies, bro? That's wet.
Bay Area Bippers.
My boy's a real one. I'm gonna borrow the beanie.
Oh, look at my goggles too. I don't know where I put them.
Hey, Raul, where we at, bro?
Kirkwood, California.
What are we about to do? Alex?
We want to shred some shit.
Yeah, I've been very silent. What's up? What are we doing?
Bitch blowing on my fucking phone, sending me Emily paragraphs and shit, bro, with the fucking indent and thesis and shit. With the quotations leading to the fucking body paragraph type shit, bro.
With the summary.
A
little final.
I'm damn near finna cut this bitch off. I don't want to fuck her anymore, bro. I feel like if I fuck this bitch,
What?
bro,
She's trying to have you
nigga,
throw that muscle
raw,
on
bro.
it.
Raw,
It's car
bro.
6. So
Wait, who are you talking to? Who are you talking to? Man, what's the movement? What's going on?
we lost the wild Alex and the wild Saeed. Where's Alex at?
Are you shiesty?
Shiesty, that's my dog.
Well, you gonna take all this.
Huh?
You gonna take all of that. You're not ready. I'm scared. We go get our day pass.
We should go get the day pass.
Hey. Hey, we're gonna get the day
Hey,
pass.
smile.
We're gonna go
Smile.
get the day pass.
Passes are in ticket.
Oh, saca la bolsita.
What the heck? Look at the roof. Why look like that?
I think for the snow, right? Insulation.
Insulation. Insulation.
Said, what's going on, bro?
You feel me?
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
We're about to shred.
Brothers?
Ripper.
They're like a brother.
Well, there's hella people. Damn.
I feel like a third brother.
My board's wet, bro. It matched my fit too.
Like you see, like they're on the. This is like the hardest. We out
Wait,
here.
what's the what's the
Look at Alex tripping. Alex tripping. Hey, come on.
We're tripping. What time is it? It's 1 o'clock. If you
it 1
don't got
o'clock?
it, you don't got a big car.
Whoa.
Hey yo.
Yeah.
Walk with the wood type shit.
Nah, I just gotta get ready. All right. So this is 6, 7 somewhere.
Bro,
We need to hit 9.
that's sick.
Oh, so this is 6, 5, 6.
It's 5'6".
We need to find 9.
What are we riding? 9? Wait, is that intermediate or pro?
That's easy.
Okay.
These are all intermediates.
What?
These are medium.
Okay. It's not
Hey.
hardened,
When you ollie, it's hella lit.
is it?
Yeah, when you ollie, it's lit.
Like just jump?
Hey, you're gonna bring that when you go snowing? Up there on top?
This? Nah.
GoPro crazy.
Go push it.
I'll just shoot off my phone.
That's kind of hard, I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah, yeah. I
Better
know.
not bring it in your hand.
Damn, bro, look at the ice, bro, on the building.
know.
It looks like cartoons.
Bicycle. Crazy.
So, what you riding? Where we going?
I don't know, man. It's my first time. First time, man.
It's a movie.
Oh, so that's 6. We need to get to number 9.
You tripping, bro.
Bro, I have a question.
Good luck.
So we're gonna hit those, and then we're gonna walk this way?
He's trying to die. He's trying to break an arm over there.
I'm trying to go to the beginner course, bro.
Where's the truck?
They got repoed.
Until you hit the top.
Bro, it's cold as hell.
That guy's scary, bro.
I bet. How was it?
It was pretty bad. Pretty scary. I thought I was gonna crash. Shit went sideways.
Hey, Raul, did Say tell you he hit black
Yeah.
ice?
Yeah, I didn't hit any.
Yeah. Our road was so smooth,
Bro, we
bro.
actually even went on
We
the
could
snow.
have we could have
even drove on
mobbed the
snow.
Camry.
Bro.
Yeah, we could have mobbed the Camry.
Yeah, but I think I
Like right here, watch. Right here you split.
Yeah,
On this side of the road.
Dope.
But the truck goes crazy. I was kind of scared, but I was vlogging.
I mean, bro, we got stuck down a fucking slow ass guy.
That's why I was cutting up because we kept getting slow.
That's goals, bro. A Raptor with the snow gear in the back with
I
the extra
know.
50 little footer. Wet. Hey, is the Raptor the same category as your car?
No, mine's like different.
No, I missed it. Fuck.
It's all good.
Gotcha. Snowing. Save! Oh, lost him. Well, what happened? What happened,
Someone
Alex?
bitch getting fucked because the wolf fell on the floor.
Okay,
now
ready?
it's fucking stone.
Look, ready? I'll show you what happened.
Damn.
Crazy storm, bro.
Bro, the fucking camera.
Like the Rangers tripping type shit.
What is he saying?
He's right there. He's lurking.
He does see the board.
Like it's actually like tripping.
Damn.
Do you understand? Like we have to like carve the road just to get out of it.
Yo, drop the salt.
You know we need like gas.
Like how much gas?
Like we have about like 90 miles. Look at us to
Oh,
Sac.
okay, yeah, you're right. I forgot where. Like it's still in
But this is gonna be
California.
all downhill. We went all uphill. So
Well, I think I fucked up my wrist, bro. It kind of hurts to like.
Oh no, yeah. Your wrist right here, cause you land on it. It fucks
Yeah.
up, but you'll be alright.
It's not purple, at least.
No mames. Oh, I'm gonna be a little fucked right now. I'm not gonna lie. I didn't bring my fucking boots.
How am I gonna be Spider-Man now, bro?
Where did
How
you
am I
bring-
gonna be Spider-Man
Wait,
now?
Jesus, what other shoes do you have besides those?
My dunks?
That's it? You don't have any others?
No. That's it. It's over.
It's
It's
over for
me.
you,
It's rap.
bud.
It's raps.
It's Rap City, bro.
It's raps, huh? Alex, why you so sad, man?
Honestly, we did
Say
waste a lot
that,
of
say that
money.
line, bro. Spent $300 with.
He said I need to get my $300 worth.
This guy's trying to die. Trying to get lost in the mountain
Not
and
even
shit.
worth it anymore. It was so fun, bro. What'd you struggle with, huh, Jesus?
Fucking almost breaking my leg, my arm, my wrist, everything. Thought I was gonna die. So you tell the viewers back home what happened.
We thought it was four-wheel drive, but it's not.
Now we're hooking. We're hooking and booking.
Alright, right here. Hey, I'm gonna unhook you right here, alright? And then you can just make a U-E. Yeah, just, hey, bro, you need the chains, bro, but just don't do it there. Like, do it like somewhere out here or some shit. I have no clue,
You just
bro.
roll over him.
I've never
roll over him
have you
every
done
time.
that? Go record this, Chigus. Go record this. Go outside, record this time.
Alright, boys, what's going on?
You know,
Be the issue.
we thought it was all-wheel drive, but it's not. So
Hey, hold up, but the truck, bro, got it out like none.
Man, good old GMC Denali.
Hey, all four wheels are spinning on my truck.
alright, we'll see if I can make it.
I think so, bro. Enough
Wait,
cars.
is that U-turn this way?
I think so.
Go around this, bro.
U-turn in.
Did you turn? You go straight up.
I follow you.
Bro, my truck was getting like, yeet, yeet. Where's the plastic?
Plastic. Oh, okay, give it
That's
to
fine, I
him.
got it. Alright.
Look it, bro. It's
chain?
gonna rock. It's
Huh?
gonna rock there.
I don't know, bro. How do you do it? How do you install it?
You just roll over it.
Alright, bro. Let's
Oh,
go.
we could do it right here.
Just do it. Big truck. Little Mercedes unstuck.
Got a one.
You feel me? Alex tripping. Hey, we out here. Cheers, Tahoe. Look, good old GMC. Good old GMC.
Good old GMC.
Good old GMC. Got the job done. I'll have to hook the little foreign thing out. Something light. Have a little tow rope on me. Go for it. Yeah. What truck got it unstuck? My truck.
GMC.
Yeah, in the snow.
You can't trust them foreigns, boy.
Can't trust them foreigns. Good old American truck. Ready? Like spin off for it.
We're sliding. Slipping. Sliding. Like SOB said or whatever. We're getting the chains on. First time for everything.
For real.
You good? E-brake?
Take the e-brake off.
Slowly.
Boring. Oh, yep. Keep going, keep going. Don't hit the truck though.
A little bit more.
A little more. It's got to wrap around.
A little bit more, bro. Keep going.
Keep going, keep going.
Watch the truck.
Keep going, keep going. A little more, a little more. That's
almost
the
there.
in the center. Yeah, right there.
Right there.
It's fine, it's fine.
Damn. The chains were a bust.
Big blast.
We're stuck in the snow.
Big blast.
The roads are closing really fast. I don't know what we're doing out here. Sheesh. Okay, now we're getting the chains out. Throw them in the trunk. I damn near broke my wrist while snowboarding. Ladies and gentlemen, get yourself a GMC Denali. This is not a paid partnership. We out.
Who turned down the fucking heater?
Oh, what's the number you turn?
Proceed to the route.
We'll go around.
You just don't want to make no sharp turns. It plus the blind corner.
Oh, you're right.
Yeah, let's see if I can do it. Manually shifting it. Respect that. That's what I'm saying. I am the leader of the pack.
I am the captain now. Small update. We're currently in the middle of nowhere.
Wiper blade just came fucking off. Not the fucking. Thank goodness it didn't fly off and it stayed in the windshield.
Came off again?
No.
Alex, use the brain.
I'm not paying attention, bro.
Not because we did on the frost.
Yeah. Alright, let's get the fuck out of here. Damn.
I'll slow down the wiper blade though.
It's a good old diesel. Well, we're out and about.
Yeah, we're still. Look at the phone. How far away from home? What is it? 2 hours, 42 minutes?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yeah, we just left Tahoe. What is it? Like what? 45 minutes ago?
Yep.
Fuck yeah, we went to go get gas, and this storm has not stopped. Look at that. We had a wiper blade fucking fly off.
Fell asleep.
Alex took a nap. We took the wrong road.
Detour.
Yeah, we took a crazy detour that was like an off-road park. Almost gave us a heart attack.
Yeah.
But now we're heading home. After snowboarding, not much, is it though? Oh look, the snow's gone. Oh, at least the dense snow is gone. It literally went up 1 degree. From Tahoe, it was 18 degrees. It's 28 degrees now. So it's went up 10 degrees.
Let's go.
That's pretty. You gotta go through the woods and shit.
This is zombies, bro.
This is zombies. This is the outbreak zombies.
Yeah.
Nigga, I got no cats. I got long tubes. Nigga, I got insurance. I got tax. Nigga, we're speeding past these niggas.
This guy.
Oh no.
Oh, we're busted. We're fucked.
We're probably fucked right here. I ain't even gonna lie.
Think so? Alex, what you think? Oh, he's not busted.
He is.
Oh, he is. He's pulling. He's pulling us over. It's over.
You see the tin trip, man.
Is he on the ass?
You see the tin. You see the tin.
Coming?